Door Installation Texarkana TX is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's security and aesthetic appeal. Our expert team specializes in entry door installation Texarkana, ensuring that your home is both welcoming and secure. Whether you need patio door installation Texarkana TX or storm door installation Texarkana, we have the skills and experience to meet your needs. Door Installation Texarkana services are designed to provide you with the best options for upgrading your home. Our door replacement solutions include a wide range of styles and materials, ensuring that you find the perfect fit for your home. From door frame repair to door hinge repair Texarkana TX, we handle all aspects of door maintenance Texarkana TX to keep your doors functioning smoothly. Door installation Texarkana is a critical component of home security, and our Texarkana door lock installation services ensure that your locks are installed correctly and securely. We also offer door security installation Texarkana TX to provide you with peace of mind. Our door weather stripping Texarkana services help improve energy efficiency by sealing gaps and preventing drafts. For those looking to enhance their home's curb appeal, door painting Texarkana TX and Texarkana door refinishing services are excellent options. Our team can customize your doors to match your home's style, offering Texarkana door customization and door hardware installation Texarkana TX. We also provide doorknob replacement and door handle installation Texarkana to update your door's look and functionality. Door alignment Texarkana and door adjustment Texarkana are essential services for ensuring that your doors open and close smoothly. Our door installation Texarkana and Texarkana door jamb repair services address any issues with door fit and function. We also offer door sealing services Texarkana TX to protect your home from the elements. Texarkana door upgrade services are perfect for homeowners looking to modernize their doors. Our door insulation services Texarkana improve energy efficiency, while our door maintenance Texarkana TX ensures that your doors remain in top condition. Whether you need door refinishing or door customization, our team is here to help. Door installation Texarkana services are comprehensive, covering everything from initial installation to ongoing maintenance. Our Texarkana door frame repair and door hinge repair Texarkana TX services ensure that your doors remain sturdy and reliable. With our expertise in door lock installation and door security installation Texarkana TX, you can trust us to keep your home safe. In Texarkana TX, door weather stripping and door sealing services Texarkana TX are vital for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our door alignment Texarkana and door adjustment Texarkana services ensure that your doors operate smoothly and efficiently. We also offer door threshold installation Texarkana TX to enhance your home's entryway.